Hello friends, so let me show you Geldingadalur and the ocean again. So here you see the lava river and the current eruption in Geldingadalur, Iceland, April 26, 2021, and I will slowly move towards the ocean once again. I did it before, but here you see the river itself. So that mountain behind there is called Fagradalsfjall. That is the top of Fagradalsfjall. That's where American bomber crashed in 1943. So here we move across the Geldingadalur Valley. Geldingadalur Valley goes all the way down there, and there we come to the ocean. All the way to the ocean. That's where the owner of Geldingadalur used to live, next to that mountain at east of Skali. So there you see the ocean, and it's North Atlantic Ocean, very big, and it's all around. Also on that side, as you see, it's also the ocean, North Atlantic Ocean. And there you see the full moon. The full moons were special days in the Bible. In ancient Israel, you know, it was a holiday, like sort of a mini Easter. Was a very special day. So today is indeed special day, full moon day. Lots of drones here. I also was flying my drone and it was quite successful, but now it's out of battery. It can't fly for a long time. There's my drone here, Sima X8 Pro drone, and I also have Telva drone, DJI. I think DJI drones are the best ones. I don't recommend Sima drones. So here you see the eruption, ongoing eruption. I did a lot of filming also today. There are still hot lava flows here in Geldingadalur, in the old valley. Still hot places, as you see. Still, and also behind there is a lot of activity still ongoing in the old Geldingadalur valley. And the old volcano is also active, as you see, is emitting smoke into the skies. Old volcano. But the most of activity is in the middle, like last time, right in the middle of the valley. So we move closer, and I will show you a better look where you can see all around. Tons of people today, like last time. Lots of people. Every day, hundreds of people walking here after work. I also about to start working, so I might have less time now to upload videos. I apologize for that, but I'll do my best in free time to upload as much as I can in the meantime. So here on the hill is an amazing view from the top. We have moon is shining over the ocean. You see it shining over the ocean, moon over North Atlantic Ocean, full moon. And here you see the inflow of lava into the new valley. That's where we walk it. Watch my videos. I walk it all around there, and I was all documenting all that, what is happening there. So here you see the inflow of lava, and sometimes it's getting through the holes. As you see, it got through the hole, some tunnel to the outside. Very strange. And lava is making such tunnels under the old lava. It's getting through some holes. It's very special. You see some lava tunnels, and it's going all around this mountain, all around. From that crater is flowing like a river, huge river, all around into this new valley. You see huge amounts of lava all the time flowing. I did enough of filming today, so I guess very soon we'll start walking home. Because it's getting cold. Temperatures change very fast in Iceland. In the evening it's getting very cold usually. My fingers are freezing. It was plus 13 in the daytime, but as long as you move into the night, temperatures drop very quick. And, people were walking in t-shirts, but now you have to have gloves. It's like this in Iceland in the night. So this is after the sunset. We have such a great view now. We have white nights in Iceland, as polar nights, you know. These days are getting very long. Now it's 10 o'clock, but it's still, you see, very bright. And it will be easy walk home. Hope I don't need flashlights even. I wish you all the best here from Iceland again. All the best to you.